Hi there, I will show you how to easily create and manage your own Telegram bot. We will need Java Development Kit 7, Maven 3 and Eclipse. We will create this file structure. In the POM we only have two dependencies, jtelebot and log4j, and we have a log4j file so we can manage our login. Now we can build the project for Eclipse. And there it is. Now we are going to import the project into Eclipse. And we can check that the dependencies we need are there, and we will define a new class called hello world command, and we are going to put it on this package, and we will select the superclass of this class that will be abstract command. This is actually where we will put all the logic of our bot. Our bot will always say hello world. We need a Telegram request object, and for that we have a factory that can create all the different requests that Telegram can receive. Here we are going to put the chat ID where we are going to send the message to, and here we're going to put the text of the message, and now we're going to disable the link preview, we don't need that. Here we're going to put the ID of the message we are responding to, and we don't need a special keyword, so we leave it null. We handle the exception, and now we need to send that request to Telegram. So we have the request handler, we send it to Telegram. Now we need to manage the exception, and that's it. Now we are going to create a command factory, and for that we need to implement the command factory interface. That's it. We just need to return a new instance of our command. We pass the parameters to it. And we will also create a logger so we can see the message that are coming to our bot. There it is. Okay. And we are going to load the text of the message that our bot is receiving. That's it. Now we have a factory, and we are going to create a main class so we can execute our program, and we declare the main method. We're going to create a default command dispatcher, who is the one that answers all the notifications for our bot. And there it is. Now we're going to set the thread pool size, the task list capacity, and a command queue for tasks. Okay, so we are going to import all the things we need, and we are going to start the dispatcher. So now we need a default command watcher, which is the one that will ask Telegram if there are updates for our bot, if our bot has notifications, and we will tell him how much to wait before checking for updates in milliseconds, the capacity of the command history cache, and the token. For that we need to talk with the bot father, cool name, and we're going to tell him that we want a new bot. He's going to ask for the name of our bot, and then the ID of the bot, and the ID must end in bot. Now our bot is created and we have our token. That token is so Telegram knows the requests are coming from our bot. Now we need the command dispatcher and the factory that is going to create the commands, which is the one that we wrote. And that's it. We just import classes we need and we start up the command watcher. And that's it. Now we can test it. We will run the application and there you have it. Now we're going to look for a bot. And there it is. Hola. And there it is. Hello world. It's alive. And now in the log we can see all the message that our bot received. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and happy coding.